Pop Rock, and this is my channel. So in my last drawing video, I taught you how to draw Polly from Amphibia. Well, here it is. I said I might do the highlight, but I eventually erased it. And I really tried to do it in Sprig's way. I couldn't find the right colored pencil for this, so it kind of looks a little messed up. I was trying to fill in the white lines, but I think it looks pretty good. And I'm still continuing the Amphibia series, sort of. I've only done 3, now for the 4th is how to draw Hop Pop from Amphibia. And here is the thumbnail. I tried my best. And now we shall begin. I'm gonna start with the eyes. Right up there. Just a circle. Then I like to spin it around. Keep it like that. And we'll do the same to the other side. I'll break the middle because it's like the dominant eye. Right next to each other. And now I'll just do the pupils. I usually do the pupils last. But I don't really want to freak anyone out, so I'll just do them now. And now right here is when we'll curve it up and we'll make it go. It's like a big smile. Gonna curve it like a big grin, but it's not. I'm gonna make it wider so then you have room for the mouth. Then we'll just leave it there. Just gonna zoom in there. The tongue gonna be right here. And another line right there. Okay, that's the start. Now I'm gonna work on top, right between them. It's going to curve, go all the way down there. So it's kind of like a really big, fat M if you think about it. And I don't think I should be using that as an example, but okay, here we go. It's like 2 mountains. There's a peak right there. And I'll just continue the other side. Right here. There we go. And I'll just add a slight curved line there. And just add hair. It's 1 spike, 2 spike, and they're all different. 3 spike, 4 spike. And there we go. And now for the other side. 1 spike. Don't forget they're all different. So you can go with whatever you wish. 2 spike, 3 spike, 4 spike, and it's gonna go down there. There we go. This is actually turning out great. I'm just gonna go through. If you have a pencil, which I recommend you do, even though my drawings are pretty clean, to be honest. You never know. You might make a mistake. I'll just add line. Thing. and just curve it there. Just fill it in. And yes, I did add it. It's like a big mark right there. Even though it's not outlined as black, I wouldn't outline it with black. Unless you want to outline everything with black. If that's your motto, then go with that. And now for the outfit, which is gonna be right. I'm just gonna curve it down and make it go all the way up here. So it's kind of like a vest. I'm not actually sure. And I'll just leave it there. And then gonna make the ascot, which is gonna be like a curve and the curve. Just why it's gonna go over, and this is why, like I said, you have a pencil. Okay, I shouldn't really be erasing this, but I like the clean look, kind of. And it's kind of like an overlapping heart, except it's gonna be blue. Then gonna make the other side. Get a really wide mountain-like thing. Then do another one that's slightly smaller. Then curve it. We'll do the same for the other side. Then gonna connect it there. And then I'll do the other side. Now for the rest of the clothing, in between, gonna make the rectangular, and that's not finished. I'll make a circle. Then we'll do the same, except it's not overlapped. Couple lines. Yep, there it is. This is actually turning out quite good. Go. And now for the arms. Sorry if I'm not talking that much. Gonna make the rectangular kind. Gonna zoom out a little. Now, gonna curve right there. It's oval-like. And another curved line for the arms. There we go. Then we'll do the same. Nice line. And there we go. Do you have a favorite Amphibia character? I have a feeling that maybe like Hot Pop's maybe one of my favorites, because I mean, he teaches the kids very good lessons. They also teach him good lessons. I mean, come on, if you think about it, he's the one that's teaches Anne about, well, the old ways. Yeah. And the episode where he tries being a hero. That one's a good one too. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna let me see. There we go. Yep, there we go. And now for the arm. This one's gonna be pointing up. I'm gonna make a thing. And then the second one is gonna go all the way up. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, wait, let me. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, just curve it like that. This is why you need a pencil for my videos. I will make mistakes like a normal person. Actually make the arm wider. Depending on how you did the hand, you may have to lengthen the arm. There you go. And now, other one. Just gonna be bending down. It's kind of like in my how to draw and video, except it's with 4 fingers, not 5. Just gonna finish it there. You can watch my how to draw and video if you want closer. Look at this. And now for the feet. And there we go. And now for the feet. Which I'm going to start with barefoot, but I think this is the only character that really has shoes. So I'm going to start with the curve line. Another curved line. Right there. See? And now we're gonna finish it off with the other feet. I'm just gonna go down, down, then we're gonna do this, the curved line, another curved line, there we go. There we go. And that's how you draw Hop Pop from Amphibia. Oh, wait. I forgot. It's the wrinkles. Right there, here and there. Okay, now, and that concludes how to draw Hop Pop from Amphibia. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, my piano video. Bye.